people, and welcome to this week's The Awesome Foursome. So, The Awesome Foursome is where I tell you 4 awesome things that I've seen, done, or tested out in the last week. So, this Awesome Foursome, number 1, is an awesome hat. Oh yeah. It's a very nice hat. It was a bargain at Tesco's. Tesco's. It was £3. Really? Bargain. So, awesome thing number 2. Decided I'm going to keep this on. So, awesome thing number 2 is I saw a movie today. Into the Woods. Dangerous stuff. Into the Woods is a very good film. It's about fairy tale characters that meet up together. And it was actually made from a musical, which was said to be unfilmable. How strange. Awesome thing number 3 is I was hit in the head with a hockey ball on Thursday. It's kind of in the awesome foursome because it was kind of awesome. Because, see, bit of a black eye there and a bruise there. Still very, very painful. The reason this head hockey injury is because 1, you get chocolate ice cream. 2, you get a day off school. Awesome! Now, awesome thing number 4 is very, very exciting because we had a new arrival in the Whistle family. Don't worry, I didn't get pregnant or anything. It's not that serious. But we have a little puppy! Say hello, Teddy. Hello. Say hello to Teddy. She's a very lovely doggy. Teddy, please stop eating me. I know it's tempting, but please stop eating me. Alright, she's eating my hats now. That's slightly less convenient, Teddy. Alright. She's in a phase of eating everything. Alright, baby. Just stay here, alright, Teddy? Okay. We bought her up a breeder in Blackpool. Aww. Look at his lovely face.
Some things about
So, sadly, it's time to say goodbye. An outro, the opposite of an intro. And thank you very much for watching The Awesome Foursome. And I'll see you next week. Hopefully Teddy will as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe.